Different rotor types are suitable for handling various types and volumes of sample containers. Types of rotors. Fixed angle rotor. Description: samples are held at a fixed angle relative to the axis of rotation. Suitability: ideal for separating dense particles quickly. Swinging bucket rotor. Description: buckets swing out horizontally as the rotor spins. Suitability: useful for large volume samples and gentle separations. Vertical rotor. Description: samples are placed vertically, perpendicular to the axis of rotation. Suitability: suitable for very dense particles and high-speed separations. Multi-tube rotor. Description: designed to accommodate multiple small tubes or microplates. Suitability: perfect for high-throughput applications and microsample processing. Specialized rotor. Description: custom designed for specific applications such as PCR tubes or blood collection tubes. Selecting the appropriate rotor type is crucial for effective sample processing. To learn more about our range of micro-high-speed centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding rotor types, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.